Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this class, we will discuss about the NOT gate. Okay. In the last video, we discussed about the basic description of all gate like NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, XOR, XNOR, NAND and NOR. Now we will see the properties of NOT gate. Okay. So first the logic symbol. The logic symbol of NOT gate is like this. Here A is the input and Y is the output, then Y will be complement of A or A bar, we can say that. Okay, this is the logic symbol of NOT gate. Now we will see the truth table of NOT gate. Here if A is the input of NOT gate and Y is the output, if A is 0 and A is 1, the two values are possible for the input 0 or 1. So we can say that if A is 0, output will be 1. If A is 1, output will be 0. It behaves like a inverter. We can say that it just complement the value of whatever we are applying at the input side. This is the basic description of NOT gate. We discussed earlier also. Now we will see some properties of NOT gate. Okay. In the properties of NOT gate, first we will see here. If we are connecting two NOT gate back to back like this, if we are connecting two NOT gate like this, okay, so we will see how it behaves. Okay, if here 0 at the input of the first NOT gate, then the output of first NOT gate will be 1. And then if we are applying at the input of the second NOT gate 1, then output will be 0. Again we can apply this 0 here and 0 gives the output 1 and 1 gives the output 0. Again we can apply 0, then 1, 0. That means every time we get the output 0, means output remains same after the first clock. Or first time whatever we are applying at the input, output remains same after first time. So means it behaves as a basic memory element. We can say that it behaves like a basic memory element. Okay. Because it stores the value. That's why we are saying that it behaves like a basic memory element. Now we will discuss the second property. Okay. Now we will discuss the second property of NOT gate when we are connecting three NOT gate back to back like this. Okay. If we are connecting three NOT gate, 1, 2 and 3 NOT gate we are connecting back to back like this. If we are connecting 3 NOT gate like this, then if we are applying here 0, okay, if we are applying here 0, then output of first NOT gate will be 1, and then if 1 is at the input side, then output will be of second NOT gate will be 0, then here output of third NOT gate will be 1. So what happened here? Again we can apply here 1, then we'll get 0 and then 1 and then again 0. Then we'll apply here 0, then 1, then 0 and then 1. Means at the first time we are applying 1. So we are getting output 1. Okay. Then 0, then 1, then 0. So here we are getting the clock. Okay. So this circuit behaves as a clock generator. Or we can say that this is a square wave. So we can say that this circuit behaves like a square wave generator. Okay. So these are the two properties of the NOT gate. In the next video, we will discuss about the properties of AND gate and its basic description or its function. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.